Special meeting edition of the Quick Draw game that everyone is playing. It's win, lose, or draw. Come on in and join our host, Bert Convey. Bert Gibb, the Irishman who loves golf almost as much as
Joe Gervais, you're the next contestant. Come on down.
I set out trying to strike it rich. A couple dollars in my pocket in the beat tape, rocking just for Pete's sake. My grandfather gave me loot and bars and said no matter what the odds, always shoot for the stars. Yeah, play your cards right, you can find your way up in the guard's light, but it takes guts to staying all night. That's alright, cause I'm gunning, and even if it's 1 versus 100, I'm coming. I love it. The odds against me, trying to beat the clock that keeps ticking. The deeper I dive, the more the plot will thicken. This money maze got twists and turns, and if you step it wrong, then your wrist can burn and slip. These pitfalls are deep, I see them all creeping, so I move steadily with the weaponry.